racetrack again. We're participating in an event with the Corvette Club. You guys probably remember them from the Glass on the Grass video. I'll put the video at the end of this one so you guys can check it out. But yeah, you know, they say sometimes you're like fashionably late. That's like half an hour or so, but like I'm an hour late, so I need to get going. So just got here, just got signed up, got the wristband here. So we'll be just upstairs taking some footage there and enjoying the Corvettes. Yeah, it's overcast so far, but it's supposed to get better. We got, you guys remember this? We got the baby down there. She's looking good. Morning.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go.
We just finished a nice lunch here, and yeah, I think it's open lap now. They're going all out, so I know I got a ride with Jerry, so he's got a Zr1 Corvette, and I'll be passenger there, so it's going to be pretty stoking. That's weird. And we got a McLaren 720S as well. Beautiful. Super sexy down here. Beautiful painting on this one, huh? Sweet. It's like orange, red. Nice old school here. Then we got something new like this. Zr1. Beautiful spec. It's like Bumblebee. Silver one. Then we got this beautiful Ford Focus RS. Same wrap as I'm getting, so it looks beautiful. This looks insane. Beautiful job on this car. And the rims, there you go. Those are dope.
Like the exhaust, eh?
It rambles, yeah.
That's stock.
Oh, stock like that?
It's stock. It's pretty good though, that rev match.
Oh yeah.
Good job. That was a really good job, everybody.
So that's a wrap, guys. It's around like 3-4 in the afternoon, so we're going to call it a day. But yeah, we got to ride in the Zr1 with Jerry. That was a pretty sweet deal. What is it? I think 700 horse to the rear wheels, manual. So it was pretty fun. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Another day with the Corvettes here at the Island Motorsport Circuit. So if you guys are interested in giving these guys a shout, I'll put the link of their website in the description. And yeah, here's the beast. And yeah, I'll head back down. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.